This brand is only sold through dealers in the USA and Canada, and the furnaces are backed by a pretty good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of heat exchanger failure, which has become the industry standard. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. They use ECM motors, which are quieter and more energy efficient than brands that use PSC motor technology. The Comfort 92, 59SC2 models are basic gas furnaces that are designed for the large price-conscious home builder market, as the warranty on the units is not as good as their other models. The Comfort 96, 59SC6 model is a better choice for a basic gas furnace, as it has a 96% AFUE efficiency and a much better guarantee on the heat exchanger. The Performance 96, 59SP6 model is a basic furnace with a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation, and the unit uses their IntelliSense technology where, when the unit is controlled by their ecobee Wi-Fi enabled thermostat, data can be shared with your HVAC contractor for remote monitoring and troubleshooting of the system. The Performance 96, 59TP6 models are premium two-stage gas furnaces with a variable speed blower, while the Infinity 96, 59TN6 premium models also have the ability to communicate with other parts of the home's HVAC systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. The Infinity 98, 59MN7 models are their entry in the ultimate category with a 98% AFUE efficiency and their green speed intelligence, which modulates the furnace operation and communicates with the other parts of the HVAC system. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.